Choosing a right product is not easy nowadays. So we are here to help you. We put products in our list after researching on them, after checking the quality of products, and also after different experiments. We categorized products and also their rankings. We always list quality products that are suitable for our subscribers. The best thing is we try to give high-quality products in affordable price. Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 4 products available in the market. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 4 on the list is: on Amazon you will get a number of different products, but we are putting this in our list because of many different aspects. Durable metal wire cage protects from squirrel damage. Twist lock lid helps keep squirrels out of the seed reservoir. Powder-coated metal frame prevents rust. 8 feeding stations allow multiple birds to dine at once. Holds up to 3 pounds of seed. The number 3 on the list is: choosing a right product is not easy. We always choose products after different experiments. Keep squirrels out. When squirrels try to access the feeder, the all-metal, weight-activated cage is pulled down, blocking access to the feeding ports. Accommodate multiple birds. This feeder boasts 6 feeding ports with U-shaped perches so multiple birds can dine at the same time. Durable design. The metal is finished with a powder coating, adding to the rustic finish and ensuring rust resistance for all weather durability. Large capacity. Holds up to 2 pounds of mixed seed. Black oil sunflower seed, sunflower chips, or safflower seed. Never run out of seed. The clear reservoir makes it easy to monitor seed levels at a glance so you never run out during peak feeding times. Holds 3.4 pounds of sunflower or mixed seed. 6 feeding ports. Show more. The number 2 on the list is: many positive reviews for this product are available on different forums and communities. Removable fresh seed tray allows rain drainage, helps to eliminate seed waste, and keeps seed fresher longer. Made with premium cedar, made to resist fading and water damage. Tray design allows a wide variety of seeds to be used. Easy feeding for both large and small birds. The number 1 on the list is: this product comes with premium quality and affordable price. Questions? Text 563563 to chat directly with a Sunjo expert. Durability. Made with durable, weather-resistant plastic construction with metallic finish. Shed. Angled cover to shed water away from the seed. Feeding ports. 6 feeding ports accommodate multiple birds. Air circulation. Built-in drain holes helps keep seed dry plus allow air circulation.